Hi, so this is just a quick test of different microfiber cloths to see which one works best, and see if I can get something that's close to or even better than the Norwex cleaning cloth that I've got right here. So yeah, so what we have here is we have the Norwex window cleaning cloth. These ones cost about $20 each. Then we've also got these Unger cleaning cloths that you can get from Home Depot or Lowe's, which I believe sell for around $12 each, or for a pack of them. Not 100% sure because I bought them, well, several months ago. And then you just have your generic sort of cleaning cloth. I got this one from Topline. It was only 50 cents. So I think, this, and then of course we have the Zerla Microfiber cleaning cloth I just got today. It seems to have a lot more like a finer sort of fibers, I guess, on it, versus all these other cleaning cloths here. So really excited to see how well each one of these cleans. Alright, so we are going to be testing out the Norwex cloth first. So what I'm going to be doing for the test here is, as you see, I've got a pretty nice and clean mirror. What I'm going to be applying on here is just a little bit of, Colgate Total sort of toothpaste to sort of the test, just to see how well it's able to remove the toothpaste and leave it nice and clean. So yeah, I'm just going to start spreading some of this around. Don't need to put it absolutely everywhere. It's just so we can see how well it cleans. So, what I'm doing for this test though is I'm only using water on this, so I'm not using any soap or any chemicals. So I filled up my oxy bottle here with nothing but, pure water. Just sort of like a fair test for it. So, I'm just gonna spray some down on the mirror and then trying to wipe it away with the cloth. So, starting out with the Norwex first. And then going for the dry side of the Norwex to polish it off. See that the Norwex did a pretty fantastic job for, as usual, for the type of cloth that it is. Next up, we're going to be trying the Zerla Microfiber cleaning cloth. So, we got these in a pack of 6 for about $30, so let's see how well it works. Now, this is the first time me testing this cloth. I've not used it before, so if you have used the other cloths before, the results may vary. So, just want to point that out there. So I'm just going to spray down some water, and then wipe it away. Now I'm just going to try and polish it off with the dry side. Something I do have to say though, because the fibers here are a lot finer, they do appear to be a lot grippier. So, like, it really sticks to the window, or in this case, the mirror. And it seems to have done a pretty fantastic job, actually. So, I'm going to move on to the next cloth. It's the Unger blue cloth. Again, I don't really know if it was in a multi-pack or not, but I know I paid around $10 to $15 or so for it. So I'm going to be just applying some more toothpaste here. going to try and leave the outside edge as clean as possible. That way you can sort of see like a comparison here. Alright, now just normal water. And now, cleaning it off. Now just polishing it off with the dry side. This one definitely glides a lot smoother than both the Norwex cloth and the other one, and the Zerla cloth. So, unlike the other cloth there, it slides nice and well. Although, this one here, it seems to have left some spots here. I'm just going to try and touch it up here if I can. But from what it looks like, is it's still leaving spots everywhere, even when I try to wipe it away. So, this one is definitely out for when it comes to removing stuff off the glass, but still should be good enough to clean off the outside edges of the frames when you're doing window cleaning. So I'm just going to use the Norwex cloth here to make it a nice fair test for the next cloth. Again, just water, just pure water, that's all I'm using. And I'll just turn it inside out here so I get a nice clean side. Now I'll just polish it off. Alright, nice and clean again. And now we're just trying the generic cloth. This one I can U-line, as I said before. So, really excited to see how this one works, because I've seen these cloths everywhere, it's dirt cheap, they have good reviews, but I'm not sure how well they would work for window cleaning. So, let's see how well it works in just a second here. So I want to make sure it's spread out nice and evenly, or at least as evenly as I can. Alright, again with just some water. Definitely glides a lot better than all the other cloths that I've tried. Although the real question is whether or not we'll actually clean the glass or if it'll just leave stuff behind. Alright, just give it a few seconds here to dry. And it looks like it did a pretty good job. However, not sure if you can really see that there, but it did leave a lot of fibers on the glass. So, it may not be the best for cleaning off large surfaces like this, but it's still good enough for cleaning off counters and other stuff. So it looks like the winner here today, surprisingly, is the Zerla cloth. So, this isn't a very thorough sort of test, this is sort of just a quick test to try and compare them. And I'd have to say though, when it's going up against a $20 Norwex cloth, considering that these are only a few dollars a cloth versus $20 a cloth, and they work the same way, or same, so the same way and work just as well, then I would have to say probably go with these guys, or at least give them a chance. So they're on Amazon right now for $31.20. So they're the Zerla Microfiber glass cleaning cloths. They're a 6-pack. They come with blue, pink, and gray. So if you want to have like ones for cleaning the bathroom mirrors, or you want to have ones for cleaning, kitchen, bathroom, and then the rest of the house, but you got the different colors for that sort of thing. So yeah, I guess that's sort of my review of it and all these other cloths. So anyway, bye.